Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 18. Left hand side is equal to 1 upon sec A plus 10A equal to 1 upon sec A plus 10A multiply and divide by sec A minus 10A. Therefore, sec A minus 10A upon sec A minus 10A. The numerator is sec A minus 10A. Here A plus B, A minus B. So sec square A minus 10 square A square minus B square equal to sec square A is 1 plus 10 square A. So we will write here sec A minus 10A upon 1 plus 10 square A minus 10 square A. So plus 10 square A minus 10 square A get cancelled. Denominator is 1. Therefore, equal to numerator is sec A minus 10A, which is equal to right hand side. Sum number 19. Left hand side is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Multiply and divide by cosec A minus cot A. Therefore, we get cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A upon cosec A minus cot A. Numerator A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Cosec square A plus minus cot square A upon cosec A minus cot A. Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. So we will write here 1 plus cot square A minus cot square A upon cosec A minus cot A. This cancels each other. Therefore, numerator is 1 upon cosec A minus cot A. Sum number 20. Left hand side is equals to sec A minus 10A upon sec A plus 10A. Multiply and divide by sec A minus 10A to the left hand side. So we get sec A minus 10A upon sec A plus 10A into sec A minus 10A upon sec A minus 10A. Here sec A minus 10A into sec A minus. So sec A minus 10A the whole square. And here sec square A minus 10 square A. Open this bracket. Sec square A plus 10 square A minus 2 sec A 10A. Here sec square A is 1 plus 10 square A. So plus 10 square A minus 10 square A cancel each other. Denominator is 1. Here sec square A is equal to 1 plus 10 square A plus 10 square A minus 2 sec A 10A. Plus 10 square A plus 10 square A is 2 10 square A. So answer is 1 minus 2 sec A 10A plus 2 10 square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 21. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square is equal to 7 plus 10 square A plus cot square A. Left hand side is sin A plus cos A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. Open the bracket. Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cos A square plus B square plus 2AB. Same way for this bracket. Cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A equal to sin A cosec A is equal to sin A up into 1 upon sin A. So sin A get cancelled. 2 is the answer. Cos A sec is 1 upon cos. So cos A get cancelled. 2 is remaining. So we get sin square A plus cos square A cosec square A plus sec square A plus 2 plus 2. Sin square A cos square A is 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. Sec square A is 1 plus 10 square A plus 5. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So 7 plus 10 square A plus cot square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 22. Left hand side is equals to sec square A into cosec square A. which is equal to sec square is 1 upon cos square a, cos sec square a is 1 upon sin square a, equal to 1 upon cos square a into sin square a. Right hand side is equal to tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 into 1. 2 is 2 into 1. 1 is tan a into cot a, equal to tan square a plus cot x square a plus 2 tan a cot a, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square. Therefore, equal to tan a plus cot a the whole square. Tan a is sin a upon cos a plus cot a is cos a upon sin a. Therefore, LCM of the denominator is sin a cos a. Therefore, this term multiply and divide by sin a. This term multiply and divide by cos a. Therefore, we get sin square a plus cos square a upon sin a cos a the whole square. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So, equal to 1 cos square a into sin square a, because your square is there. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Sum number 23. Left hand side is 1 upon 1 plus cos a plus 1 upon 1 minus cos a, equal to, so LCM of this denominator is 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a. This term multiply and divide by 1 minus cos a. This term multiply and divide by 1 plus cos a. So we get 1 minus cos a plus 1 plus cos a upon 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a. Okay. Plus cos a minus cos a cancel each other. 1 plus 1, 2. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 1 square 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a, equal to 2 upon sin square a, equal to 1 upon sin square a is cos x square a, equal to 2 into cos x square a, equal to right hand side. Sum number 24. Left hand side is equal to 1 upon 1 minus sin a plus 1 upon 1 plus sin a. LCM of the denominator is 1 into 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Therefore, this term multiply and divide by 1 plus sin a. This term multiply and divide by 1 minus sin a. Therefore, in the numerator we will get 1 plus sin a plus 1 minus sin a upon 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Plus sin a minus sin a cancel. 1 plus 1, 2. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore, 1 minus sin square a, which is equal to cos square a, equal to 2 upon cos square a. 1 upon cos square a is sec square a. So, equal to 2 into sec square a, equal to right hand side.